Hi, I would like to present the Smart Compost Tumbler, the final year university project of my son. This prototype was developed through a combination of engineering and IT concept. Most of the material used in this project are recycled, from wooden frame, tie rods, this tie rod, bolts, screw, plate, and the tumbler itself. The power supply, this power supply was taken from our old charger that we are not using. So I place it here and put a frame so that it will not displace. However, the DC motor, this DC motor, the speed controller, and the switch, and the pulley, this pulley, was purchased in Amazon and assembled by us. So on the top of the tumbler, my son installed the battery pack, motherboard, Wi-Fi, then he programmed it. He also installed a sensor inside the tumbler that can monitor the compost in real time. He installed the sensors such as moisture, temperature, humidity, and odor. The reading will be transmitted to your mobile application on your phone. Completing and making this project fully operational was both challenging and rewarding for us. It required teamwork, creativity, technical skills, and problem solving all throughout the entire process. I will going to demonstrate how this tumbler turns, how the tumbler mix the compost inside. You know, it could turn up and down, up, reverse like this. I'll start now. This is the speed controller. So I will increase the speed. 1. Okay. Then I will reverse the direction. It goes on the other way around. See, this is fully operational. Alright, I hope you learned something on this video. Bye!